Welcome to JH. Today we're tackling the thrilling task of moving your money from BingX to your bank account. First, log into your account, assuming you haven't forgotten your password for the third time this week. Once you're on the home page, click on Fund Account, navigate to Fiat Currency, and select Convert. It's basically a digital scavenger hunt where the prize is your own cash. Just make sure the conversion direction is correct unless you're feeling particularly charitable today. Enter your amount, hit Convert, and prepare for the next step. Once the conversion is finished, click the Withdrawal button, choose your fiat currency, and click Add Card. Apparently, your bank account is treated like a shiny new pair of shoes in a shopping cart now. Be absolutely sure your withdrawal information is accurate and complete. If your bank details don't perfectly match your KYC info, the system will reject your request faster than a bad first date. Finally, select your bank account and hit Submit. Now, you just have to wait 1 to 3 working days, because banks still love pretending they use carrier pigeons to process digital transactions. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.